Okay, I'm audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I repeat the question again. So question is, find the number of photographs required to cover an area of 750 kilometers square. So given area is 750 kilometers. Okay, and a scale of photograph is 1:1500. Okay, 15600. Okay, and size of one photograph is 6 inch into 5 inch. Okay, and also longitudinal, that means PL is given 55%, and side overlap is given, PW is given 25%. Okay, so find the number of photograph that is N1 into N2. Okay, so how we calculate? So here simply we can calculate number of photograph is N equal to area on map divided by area of scale, area of photograph. So calculate. Equation is already given. First, we have to calculate area covered on ground by one photograph. Okay, area covered by one photograph. How we calculate? That is 1 minus PL into 1 minus PW into L into W. किसी का सॉल्व हुआ है क्या? What is the number of photograph? Anyone are calculated?
Ma'am, 600.
600.
600 exact 600. Okay, बाकी लोग भी चेक कर लो.
मैम 599 आ रहा है 0.6 आ रहा है तो 600 मान रहे हैं।
I'm audible. There are some network problem. So exact answer is
600 में
what is the value? What is the exact answer?
मैम 600।
600. All have same answer. किसी का कुछ चेंज वैल्यू भी आया है क्या? Okay, so 600. So how we calculate? The step is the number of 8. Equation for calculation area covered on ground by one photograph. Okay, so the value of PL is the, what is the value of PL? What is PL?
0.55।
0.55. That is longitudinal overlap. Okay, 1 minus 0.25. 25 is the PW. PW is the side overlap. Okay, into L. What is L? L is the length. So length is given 6 inch. 6 inch is converted into meter. So 6 into 4 converted into meter, that is 0.054 square into S square also. So 1 by 15600 square. Okay. So value is approx value is, what is the area? What is the value of area covered? क्या है
750
area
किलोमीटर मैम।
750 kilometer. That not A screen is visible. A screen is visible to all.
No, ma'am.
This value is clear. This value is clear to everyone. You have also calculated this value, area covered by one photograph on ground is 1.27 kilometers square. This is also approx value. This is okay. This value is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
1.25 आ रहा था मैम.
Okay, 1.25. 1.25. Then we can calculate number of photograph. Number of photograph, that is 750 kilometers square. That is total area. Okay, that total area, and area covered by one photograph, that is 1.25. Okay, so how much value? How much value?
600, ma'am.
600. Total number of photograph is 600. Okay, so this is clear to all. Okay, so write a next question. Write a next question. Question is, a line PQ measure 12 centimeter. A line PQ measure 12 centimeter on photograph. L is 12 centimeter on photograph with a camera of focal length. 22.5 centimeter. Focal length is 22.5 centimeter. The same line measured 4 centimeter on a map. Same line measured 4 centimeter on a map, and a scale of map is 1:35,000. 35,000. Okay. So if average altitude is 300, H is given, that is 300 meter. Then what is the flying height of aircraft? What is the flying height of aircraft? Okay. So this information is given, and we have to calculate the value of H, flying height. So calculate this value. So how calculate? We calculate. So a scale of map is given. So we have to find for a scale of photograph. We have to find scale of photograph. So what is the scale of photograph? A scale of photograph is the photo distance by what? Photo distance by ground distance. And also formula for scale of map is, formula for a scale of map is F divided by H minus H. F is known, that is 22.5. Scale of map is given, but a scale of photograph is not given. So we have to first find photo scale. Okay, H value, and H average is also given 4 centimeter. H average is given 300 meter. 4 centimeter is the height. So first we have to calculate a scale of photograph. Please try everyone. Scale of photograph. Scale of photograph. Anyone calculate it? Value of scale. Anyone can. So first step is to find photo scale. To find photo scale. So how we find photo scale? That is H minus H average. Okay. So photo scale is also photo length on photograph divided by length on ground. So ground length is also not given, okay, but map relation is given. Map information is given, that is length on map is 4 centimeter and then scale of map is 1:35,000. So similar as first question, we can here also write a relation between map scale and photo scale, that is photo scale divided by map scale is equal to photo distance by. So from here, photo scale is assumed S divided by 30,000 photo distance given, that is 12 centimeter peak to length divided by scale of photograph equal to 3 by 35,000. Okay? This is the value of a scale of photograph, and also most of photograph equal to F by H minus H average. Okay, so S is 3 by 35,000 equal to F is also given, that is 22.5 centimeter into 10 to the power minus 2 meter divided by H. H we have to find, and H average is given, that is 300 meter. Okay, so we can find value of. So how much value of H? How much value? Calculate value of H. What is the value of H? What is H? What is value of age? Please answer. कितना आ रहा वैल्यू? Suraj Ram, Suraj, are you here, Suraj?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value of age? Have you calculated?
मैम अभी तक फाइंड नहीं हो पाया मैम।
तो मैंने तो अभी सारा कैलकुलेशन कर दिया, तुम्हें बस कैलसी में वैल्यू पुट करना है एज का। किसी का आंसर आया? इसका वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? Anyone please answer? What is age? Use calci, put the and find age. Akash, Aniket,
मैम 10 to the power minus
Yes,
4 है
ma'am.
मैम।
22.5 is in centimeter, then we can convert into meter. So 22.5 into 10 to the power minus 2.
मैम 2925 आ रहा है।
295.
Yes, ma'am. 2925.
295 what? Unit, meter, kilometer, centimeter.
मैम 2325 आ रहा है मेरा मैम।
2324
मेरा भी आ रहा
what?
है,
Meter.
2325 आ रहा है
मैम
मैम।
मीटर
मीटर में मैम।
Meter.
मीटर में।
2925 मीटर।
Yes, ma'am.
So final value is what? Please check again. कुछ लोगों का different value आ रहा है, so please cross check. 295.
2925 मीटर।
2325 आ रहा है मैम।
2925 in meter. Okay. So in kilometer, what is the value? 2.92 kilometer. That is approx 3 kilometer. Okay. So this is the flying height. This is the value of flying height. Okay. Clear to everyone? This is clear to everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Objective question, multiple choice question. Question is, the net length covered by each photograph. Net length covered by each photograph is 1.5 kilometer, and length of a strip is 18. Okay. Then total number of photographs is required in if total length is given and length of a strip is given. So what is the value of total number of photograph required? So total number of photograph required is the n equal to n1 into n2. N equal to n1 into n2. N1 is the length of a strip and n2 is the number of a strip. So n1 is given, length is given. So find total number of photograph. Please calculate. Option 13, 12, 14.
13 मैम 13 मैम
13 और किसी का?
मैम 13 होगा मैम 13
13 सबका 13 आ रहा है. सबका 13 आ रहा है आंसर.
यस
Okay, so next question is also multiple choice question. So question in an aerial photogrammetric survey, the exposure interval is 3 seconds. Exposure interval is 3 seconds. Okay. Exposure interval is 3 seconds to cover a ground distance of 150 meter. Ground distance of 150 meter. Okay. So find the ground speed of aircraft. Find the ground speed of aircraft. So option A is 18, B is 1.8, C is 180, and D is 1800 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Exposure time interval is given 3 seconds. Distance is given 150. So speed. Find the ground speed of aircraft. Find the value. Option is also given.
मैम ऊपर में 35x है
35x 3 seconds. Exposure interval is given 3 seconds.
तो ठीक है मैम ठीक है
What is value? Speed of aircraft. How we calculate interval? If exposure interval is given, then how we calculate a speed? So if exposure interval is given, that is T, okay, and if V is the ground speed of aircraft, V is the ground speed of aircraft in kilometer per hour, and L is the length or distance on ground. Okay, so in that case, time interval between the exposure is, we can write as by simple equation, that is t equal to length by velocity, distance by velocity. Okay, so length is given in kilometer and velocity is also given in kilometer per hour. So on basis of this relation, we can find speed of aircraft. Anyone calculated this value? So from your question, given information is t equal to 3 seconds, okay, and the speed length is given, that is distance is given 150 meter. So speed we can calculate L by T, that is length is 150 divided by time equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so here also we can convert in kilometer per hour. So meter divided by 1000 and second divided by 3600. So find from this equation V equal to 150 into 3600 divided by 3 into 1000.
180, ma'am.
180 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is clear. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. So this type of objective question is also we have to solve by this chapter, aerial surveying, aerial photogrammetry. So one more or theoretical question. Question is, on a flat terrain with varying flying height, the scale of vertical photograph will be uniform. Uniform if tilt is not here, non-uniform. Non-uniform if tilt is not there. So listen question carefully. If a flat terrain with a varying flying height, okay, so h is varying and terrain is which type? Flat. Okay, so in that condition, what is the scale of vertical photograph? Okay, uniform, non-uniform, uniform if tilt is not, non-uniform if tilt is not. So a scale is depend on what? A scale is depend on flying height or tilting or not tilting position.